Hey everyone, welcome back to Returning to Basics. My mother has a situation at her home that has us concerned. She thinks that there is a raccoon that is getting into her attic at night. We're really not sure, and I've gone up in the attic, I've looked, I've done everything that I know to do. I've walked around the house, I've looked at the eaves, I've looked at the soffit, I've looked at all of the vents. I can't see anywhere that a raccoon can get in the house. Yet Mom says that she hears one or she hears something at night up in the attic. So we're going to find out. I bought this Wyze Cam. It's called a Wyze Cam Pan. It is a tilt and zoom camera, 1080p. I'm going to install this in the attic. It has night vision, and we're going to see what we can do and find out if there's something up there at night. Let's open it up, see what we have. Ordered it online from Walmart.com. Got a really good price. We have these Wyze cams in our home and at Mom's house so that we can have, their Wi-Fi cameras so that we can have some security. And comes in a nice little box. It says it has 6 infrared LEDs, 1080p full HD, 110 degrees quick rotation, 360 degrees by 93 degrees pan and tilt, motion and sound detection. All of the Wyze cams have motion and sound detection, and it says free rolling 14-day cloud storage. It records. You can set it up to record, or you can set it up not to record. It'll notify you on your cell phone and send you a text and actually let you know that it's sensed something, sensed motion. This is a little larger than the other cameras that we've had. 120 degree wide angle lens. And it takes a 5 volt DC 2 amp input, which usually they provide you. And let's see if that's what this is. Usually it's a USB 5 volt. There we go. Here it is, and it is 5 volt 2000 milliamp, which is 2 amps. And they give you a USB cord. Micro USB on one end and USB on the other. You can actually extend these. If you need to, you can put an extension on there and it will not hurt it. Gives you a little in the box setup. Tells you how to set it up. Download the Wyze app. You do need to use the Wyze app on your cell phone. You can go to the Google Play Store and get that. And you can also load it for iOS on an Apple device at the App Store. So, it's a good deal. This one says, connect the camera to a power outlet, wait 15 seconds until the yellow status light flashes, press the setup button until you hear the voice prompt, follow the Wyze app. And they are rather easy, I've found. And so, nothing exceptional there. Let's open this up and look and see what the camera looks like for you to see if we have any damage or anything like that. I doubt it very seriously. Oh, by the way, one of the neat things about this is it has a 1/4 inch threaded connection on the bottom. So what I intend to do is I intend to put a game camera mount up there in the attic, straight down on. We have a 2x4 rail up there. I'm going to put it there. I'm going to screw it into the bottom of this thing and set it just like this, and run this over to a power outlet that we have up there. And then I'm going to be able to check, and if Mom says that she's hearing something, I should be able to pan this thing around and look anywhere in the attic, tilt, pan. And also, more importantly, if it hears something or sees something, it'll key in on it and it'll record it. So I don't have to try and set up in the attic or figure out some other way to see if there's something up there. So The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take it over to Mom's, hook it up to the Wi-Fi, and we're going to get it set up. So I'll see you over there in a few minutes. I want to show you these items right here. This is what I'm using to make a camera mount for the Wyze camera I'm putting in Mother's attic. You can buy those camera mounts, and they're about $10 to $15 each. This is a lag thread screw eye bolt. This is an eye bolt with a normal 1/4 inch thread, and it came with a nut, 3 fender washers, a 1 inch 1/4 inch bolt, and a 1/4 inch nut. Watch this. 1 lag screw, 1 washer, 1 bolt through there, 1 washer in the middle, 1 eye bolt, 1 washer, 1 nut. Now, you can see it will move. And I will take a wrench and I'll tighten this up real tight. I'll screw this down in the 2x4 that's up there that we use as a stair banister when we go up and down the stairs into the attic. And I'll just do that, and then I'll screw the camera onto the end of this. And you say, well, why didn't you buy one of the other ones? Because instead of $10 to $15 or $20, this cost $1.73 before tax at Home Depot. $1.73. So there is my quick homemade camera mount. Okay, I'm over at Mother's. We've actually set up the camera. We did you scan this QR code and you actually get one as you're setting it up, and you scan it with this camera. We're going to use this mount and plug this in, and we're going to put it up in the attic. Alright, the camera did its setup there. Get this mount screwed in here. Okay. Notice how it's moving. I have it set on motion tracking. So unplug it again for a second. Mount it right here. This. I tend to think that if we have a raccoon, it's going to be in that direction. So I'm going to orient it that way initially. Let's plug this back end. And see how it does. Forgive me for walking in front of the camera. It's doing its setup. It should pan around 360 degrees. There we go. Okay. It's solid blue. Let's turn it in this direction. Mother says it tends to be over her bedroom. There I am on the Wyze Camera app, up in the attic, and it should follow me. Let's see if it will. It's doing it. Move over here to the other side. Let's see if it'll follow me. Looky there, it's moving. So, let's see if it'll pan back over this way. And it's done that. And it's moving over here. So, let's leave that and see if we can find a raccoon in the attic or something else. Okay. We'll get back to you later with more results.